Shall we go, Swara?
Yes.
Who's she?
She's babysitter for Pranav. I called for Pranav. In some days I'm going to join a job now. So someone should be here to take care now. That's why.
Yes, you are right. Shall we go now?
Yeah, let's go. Feed him the milk. We will come after some time. Come. Sagar, I'm telling you, meet na mom once. Otherwise she will get me married to somebody else.
But if I don't want to get married right now, what's the point of meeting them?
Yaar, my mother will have some peace. Please meet her. Please. Mom? He's Sagar.
Hello.
Namaste, son. Come na, son, sit.
No, thank you.
Look, son, it's age of Gargi to get married. She's getting so many proposals and she's telling me that she will marry to you only. So tell me if you're ready, then we can move this forward.
Look, auntie, the thing is, I cannot marry for the next 3-4 years. Right now, I need to focus on my career. And if you can wait that long, then it's fine. Otherwise, you can do what you think is right.
No, son, we can't wait for so long. And about the career, you can manage it after marriage, na? Gargi will also help you for your career.
See, auntie, this is my decision for now. The rest is up to you, whatever you want to do.
Sagar, 3-4 years is a very big time.
Then marry wherever your family is arranging your marriage then.
What was that, Sagar?
I had already told you that not to talk about marriage, and you said at that time that you wouldn't ask me to marry you. So what's all this about?
My family is not getting agree, so what to do?
If they are not agreeing, then marry wherever they want. And listen, from today, there is no need to call or message me.
Sagar, listen to me. Sagar.
Swara, the girl who came today for Pranav didn't seem right to me, I guess. She looked too young. We should find an experienced lady, no? Who has handled children before. Otherwise, we'll have to teach her everything. This won't work like that, no?
Okay then, I'll try to find somebody else.
Yes, you find someone else.
She came here for Pranav.
She?
Yes?
But I asked for an experienced lady. She is too old. She won't be able to work the whole day.
No, son. I will manage everything. Yes, she will manage. She's fine.
Swara, I said no means no. You, please, sorry, we cannot hire you.
Sorry, auntie. It's okay, daughter. Today I called 2 people for babysitting. You see them if they looks fine to you.
Okay, I'll check when they are coming. I'm getting late for the office.
They must be coming. See, they are here.
You both? What are they doing here? I had already refused them, no?
Yes, you rejected them. But why did you reject it? You didn't tell me.
What is there to tell you? Both of them were not able to work properly and were not able to take proper care of the child.
They were not able to take care, or if they will stay here, your truth will come in front of me.
What do you mean?
Let me tell you its meaning. Even after being married, you had a relationship with my daughter. In your wife and my daughter, you cheated both of them. When she told you to get married, you left her and ran away.
Swara, they are lying.
Really? We are lying? This picture is also fake.
Swarab, I'll tell you everything. Just send them away from here, please. I'll explain you everything.
No one is going out from here. You will go. You have ruined someone's life, Sagar. And it's better to live with a person like you that I should live alone. Get lost from my home.
Please listen to
I
me.
said get lost from my home right now. Please forgive me. I didn't want it to break your home. But I had to tell you all the truth. Because what happened with you, with me, this should not repeat with anybody else. I don't want to live with a person like him. Whatever happened to you, I can't change that. But I can hire you here for a job. Thank you. It's okay. You guys sit. No, we will leave. Thank you.